Blended, or hybrid learning, is a mix of instructor-led or classroom and online training formats, reinforced with electronic performance support solutions. It can accommodate both synchronous and asynchronous formats. Blended learning combines the human interaction of the classroom with the self-paced flexibility of online learning to give learners the best of both worlds. Learning becomes a continuous event as learners get to access learning resources in several formats on demand. Blended learning frees you from the expenses associated with classroom training, not to mention the logistical nightmares and the paperwork. It allows you to offer spaced learning, flip the classroom, and use it for in-depth explanations, interactions, and to clarify doubts, and to leverage the power of micro-learning assets, and much more. Finding instructors in your learners' native languages and bringing everyone to the classroom, even for a few updates, will become a thing of the past. And finally, with the new normal of social distancing here to stay, going blended will help you ensure training isn't interrupted, and your employees are equipped to deal with changing business dynamics and new modes of operations. While all this sounds very promising, deciding what needs to be shifted from the classroom to the online mode can be a real challenge. This should be carefully thought out based on the training topic, the knowledge and skills that need to be covered, the learner profile, the difficulty of applying learning to the workplace, and more. And that brings us to this tool. The Blended Learning Tool makes it easy to decide which parts of a particular training should be covered in the classroom and which parts best fit online. This tool will propose the optimal blend of classroom training, e-learning courses, and performance support job aids that can include PDFs, how-to videos, and infographics. This solution will be based on 4 parameters of the task that the training will equip the learner to do: frequency, importance, difficulty, and risk. Since the tool quantifies qualitative human judgment, you will have the option to adjust the recommendations based on your knowledge and experience. You will receive a price estimate for both the recommended and customized solutions. The cost for performance support job aids will be discussed in subsequent calls and is not provided by this tool. So, let's get started to find the optimal mix of classroom and online training for your training program.